सर वोट डालने वाले हैं मैम आज, तो क्या सोच रहे हैं, क्या सोचकर किस तरह का कैंडिडेट पसंद करेंगे?
I have no views on that at all. No views on that.
So
Just come to cast my vote. That's all.
But what is in your mind? So what kind of work government have done in last 10 years?
I have nothing to say about that, but I definitely have to say that I have to cast my vote to give my presence into the system.
So how do you see like you're coming for the voting early in the morning?
Every fifth year I come in the morning only.
So what is in the mind, sir? What kind of candidate you are thinking of?
Who's working for the country?
Let's speak to some other people as well, that what they have to say, ma'am. How do you see, like, early in the morning, you are on the polling station. So what is in the mind? What kind of candidate you required here?
First of all, I would like to wish everyone good morning and all the candidates best of luck. And I would like to say that, it's a fundamental duty of every citizen to cast a vote today. So it is very, very important because your one vote can, change the whole country concept. And I feel the progress which has been done in the last 10 years, we all are watching that, and we all know that who has done that progress, who has developed the country.
Do you believe that in 10 years, Jammu and Kashmir especially have changed enough, whether it is at 370 or something?
Yes. After we are free now from 370 and 35A, now we are watching Jammu and Kashmir as a new Jammu and Kashmir UT, because you see now all the sisters are getting their हक जिसको कहते हैं कि अब उनको हक मिलने लगा है, क्योंकि 70 सालों में उनको हक नहीं मिला, क्योंकि प्रॉपर्टीज़ में जो पेरेंट्स की प्रॉपर्टीज़ थी उनमें उनको हक नहीं दिया जाता था, अब लेकिन हक दिया जाता है। और मैं ये कहती हूँ कि जिसने भी विकास के कार्य किए हैं हमारे देश के लिए, उनको, और पूरे विदेश में जिनका डंका बज रहा है, हमारे देश का डंका बज रहा है, हम पूरे विदेश में, वो किसके कारण बज रहा है ये सबको पता है। और लोग आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा अवेयर हैं और लोगों को पता है कि हमें किसको वोटिंग के लिए करना है, क्योंकि आगे भी हमें देखना है इन नियर फ्यूचर कि हमारे देश का विकास कौन कर सकता है। धन्यवाद।
So much. We have with us some other people as well. Sir,
No comments.
do you think that people should come out, and what is the message to the people, voters especially?
Comments.
Thank you. Ma'am, how do you see, like, what should people do? Like, you are coming early morning for the voting. So what is in the mind, and what kind of member parliament you required for the Jammu?
Definitely one who's working and who's going to take the country ahead. And I would like a leader like that to lead us.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.